Hello there, how's it going? How's it going? Yeah, welcome back to new video. Today we gonna talk about if I could change one thing in education system, what would it be? So I live in India, so especially there are people are doing protests are going on. So it's because of the reason I tell you the reason behind it. The NEET paper. What is NEET paper for some people who don't know? It is the examination written paper which is used, which is like so yeah, it is one of the most difficult exam. Yeah, NEET exam. It ranks. It is the world. It is the one of the most difficult exam in the world, which ranks on 7 number, I guess. But the thing is, what going on is people why are people protesting? First of all, I will tell you what is NEET exam. It is an exam like people who have to become doctor and all, they used to give there, and it requires 2 years of hard work. I guess you have to grind that 2 years fully to give your focus, and that's all. And if you fail and all, your 2 years of hard work will be wasted. And what's going on in India, some people who are connected with government, I don't know with of course they are connected with government, just for just for money, they be leaking out the papers. Yeah, they have been leaking out the paper, and because of that, people who really deserve that ranks, like it based on rank, how like the less you the less your rank will become, the more you deserving are. Like if my rank is AIR1 or like something, then yeah, I will be the top one, first person. I I'm the number one person in all over the India. That's all. Okay, you will just research about it, and let's continue on the topic. So yeah, because of that leaks, people leaks the paper so easily. The student who are preparing for that exam doing suicide, doing suicide, they've been crying like their hard work has been wasted, and the people who just paid money, the people who just paid money for it to get leaks paper, got the certificate of need paper. So yeah, it's very disrespectful. It's very, you will get hurt if your hard work will be waste for so many years. So that's the reason people are been protesting for it, and there's a big legend out there, Sonam Manchak. Uh, he's an very great. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry, but he's been protesting. He haven't eat something for like continue for 20 days, and there is some people who are roaming around here and there to keep him secure, is that cops or government employees, and that's all come to charge. So one day, like on day 20, uh, when he is not around that stage, on sonam one showcase laying down and going on protest, the cops have came, the force, the army have came and have taken to him the hospital, and ended the protests. How disrespectful, how bad it is, bro. Like they are fighting for their children, but cops are shameless. They have been beating people. They are beating that student, that 18, 17, 15 year old who has come to the protest to join, to support them, and they have been beating beaten them very badly, very badly. The blood have came out. Some people got injured. That's the reason, and that's what I would wanna change in India, especially in India, because there are lot of many world difficult exam are going on. For example, in China, the Gaokao exam, it is one of the most hardest exam in the world, but it never got leaked. Yeah, that's what I wanna change. I don't know what the government is doing, what the people out there is doing who conduct the exam. leaks easily, the about spoons at night, or the parents whose children done suicide, whose children gets dead suicide by for that reason. Like the people who get easily, people who get that rank easily, who is not deserve. So that's wrong. That's very wrong. Of course, it will gonna hurt the people who can't afford lot of money. Who just been preparing for it for so many years of hard work. It's been ruined, and so yeah, what can else they do? So yeah, government have to change this one thing and should be done on restriction. The people who leaks such paper and all should be punished very brutally, like sentenced to death and all. No, no, it's at least as a student, I feel I feel their whole career, their whole life, their whole hard work has been got ruined. That's why they have done suicide. All right, that's it. That's what I want to change.